Congratulations, you just locked in your 100% free Shopify store that's hand-built by me and my team. Now, because these stores are hand-built, there's a couple things we have to do to transfer ownership to you to ensure that we have no more access to the store. So in the next page of this video, you're gonna see your username and your password for the store that you chose. Once you get the email and password for the store, you're gonna wanna log in on Shopify. After logging in, you're gonna get to a page just like this, and you wanna go to Settings, go to Users and Permissions, then go over to this button that says transfer ownership. First thing you want to do is put in the new email that you want associated with your store. Next, you want to put in the current password that we gave you that allowed you to log in the first place. Make sure you put that in the password section and make sure you put your first and last name in there. And then all you have to do is click transfer ownership. Now, when you go to the email account that you decided to sign up with, there's going to be a verification email. You need to click get started right here. You want to click the store down here and you want to hit accept there. Now everything should be good. So let's go make sure, go hit your settings, go to the general area and make sure that right here it has that new email that you put. And then we want to go into this top right section and hit manage account. Once you land here, it's totally fine if it still has the email address up there. You want to make sure that you update the email and put in your information. Once you hit update email, it's going to ask for the password one more time. Make sure you put in that password that you originally had to sign into the store in the first place. Then it's going to ask to change your email. So make sure you re-input that new email in here as well. If you clicked update right here, you put in an email address and it says that one's already existing. Just do a new email address that you have access to as well. That's not that exact one. So I just signed into that email account. Looks like it came right here. So we want to hit verify email. We want to hit accept, put in the new email address with that old password and hit login. Now everything should be fully changed. And the last thing we have to do is switch our password. So make sure you go to the left over here where it says security, scroll down to change password. It's going to ask you to put in the current password and then you just have to put the new password in and confirm it. And that is absolutely everything. Now the passwords change, the emails change, and nobody else has ownership or access to the store but you. The reason we have to go through this whole process is because we're genuinely hand building these stores. We're paying developers to make them and we're inserting products that me and my team personally found. So we have to create the Shopify ourselves, get all of that inserted into the store so we can then pass it off to you. Trust me guys, you have my word that me and my team will have no access to the store. Once you've done all these steps, it is 1000% yours and there's nothing we can do to ever get access to that store again. Now that you've done that step, let's talk about how you can get access to this 100% free course that I'm filming on the cinema camera right now. I'm very excited for you guys to go through it. The first thing you have to do is go into your Shopify account and set up your Shopify billing plan. You need to hit select plan in the bottom right and hit basic. This is going to charge you $1 for your first month with Shopify, which is amazing that they give this deal. So all you need to do is put in your first name, last name, card number, and get everything set up there. After your first month, it's $1. They are going to charge you $39 a month. So do please be aware of that. Once all of your information is in, make sure you hit subscribe. Now a pop-up's going to come. So you have to put in all of your business information in now, or you can just hit add later. Now, once that's done, make sure you come back to the store builder website. We should have a link for you that directly takes you to the free course that is built only for people who have signed up for our free store builder. I want to be incredibly honest and transparent with you guys. The reason we have you set up that Shopify plan and insert all your billing info is so we can get paid by Shopify as an affiliate. That is the absolute only reason that we're able to give you this free store that's hand built, loaded with 8 winning products specific to that niche, and build and film an entire free course just for you to teach you how to run that store properly, is by locking in that Shopify affiliate. That's the only way we make $1 through going through all of this effort just for you. Trust me guys, this course is absolutely amazing. It's straight, it's direct, it's to the point, and it's probably one of the highest quality things I've ever produced. So with all that being said, we're ready to start our journey inside of our first Shopify store. I'm really excited to teach you guys and help you scale this up to your first 10K months in profit. So with that being said, I'll see you guys inside.